Hey there, William here. Ever dreamed of starting an online business but felt you don't have enough experience? What if I told you there are 10 incredible online business ideas you can start right now, even if you're completely new and don't have a ton of cash to invest? Stick around because number 8 might just blow your mind. It's a hidden gem most beginners overlook, but it could quickly become your most profitable business idea yet. Alright, let's dive in with number 1. Freelance content writing. Now, before you say you're not a writer, consider this. Every business online needs fresh content. Blogs, websites, emails, product descriptions, you name it. Even without prior experience, you can start earning money by creating simple articles or social media posts. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork make it super easy to get started. But what's the secret to actually landing your first client? Keep watching because we'll reveal that in just a moment. Next up at number 2, dropshipping. You've probably heard about this one, but might not realize just how beginner-friendly it truly is. With dropshipping, you sell products online without ever handling any inventory. When someone buys, your supplier ships directly to your customer, meaning zero upfront investment in stock. Sound easy? It absolutely can be, especially when you choose the right niche. But how do you know which niches are profitable right now? Hold tight, we'll get to that shortly. At number 3, consider becoming a virtual assistant. If you're organized, good at simple tasks like email management or calendar scheduling, this might be the perfect fit for you. Businesses are always searching for reliable virtual assistants. The best part? You set your own hours and rates, giving you total control. But there's a clever way to land higher-paying clients quickly, and I'll share that secret with you very soon. Moving on to number 4, digital product creation. Imagine creating something just once and selling it repeatedly, earning income in your sleep. We're talking ebooks, templates, printable planners, or online courses. Don't worry if you've never made anything like this before. Creating digital products can be straightforward, even fun, if you follow the right approach. Wondering what type of digital product practically sells itself? I'll reveal that answer in just a minute. Idea number 5 is affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is simplicity. You recommend products online and earn a commission for every sale. You don't need to create products, deal with shipping, or handle customer service. Start by creating content around topics you love, whether it's tech gadgets, fitness gear, or personal finance tips. But how can you quickly grow your audience and boost your earnings from day one? Stay tuned because I'll share a brilliant strategy shortly. At number 6, online tutoring. If you have knowledge about anything, English, math, coding, even guitar, someone out there will pay you to teach it. Platforms like Teachable or Skillshare make it easier than ever to get started. Don't think you have what it takes. Think again. You probably have skills right now that thousands of people would gladly pay for. Curious about how to choose a profitable tutoring niche? You won't want to miss that tip coming up soon. Ready for number 7? Social media management. Businesses everywhere need help running their social media accounts, but many simply don't have time. Even if you've never managed accounts professionally, you probably know your way around platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. With a bit of effort, you can quickly learn the basics and start earning income from managing posts and engagement. But what's the best way to convince a business to hire you with no prior experience? I'll tell you exactly how to do that next. And now, let's dive into that hidden gem I mentioned earlier. Number 8, print on demand. With this model, you create custom designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When someone orders, the company prints and ships the product for you. Zero inventory risk, zero upfront costs. Sound intriguing? There's one crucial thing you need to know about print-on-demand success, and I promise it's a game changer. Before I reveal the final 2 powerful business ideas, let's quickly answer that burning question from earlier. How do you actually land your first freelance writing client? It's simple. Offer something called a test article at a lower introductory rate. This small gesture significantly reduces client risk and helps you quickly build trust and credibility. Once you've proven yourself, Raising your rates becomes easy. Now you're probably eager to learn those profitable dropshipping niches I hinted at earlier. Right now, evergreen niches like pet products, home fitness equipment, and eco-friendly items are booming. They're consistently popular, have steady demand, and customers frequently buy repeatedly. But wait, remember when I promised to reveal the secret to landing higher-paying virtual assistant clients fast? Here's how: specialize early. Instead of offering general administrative support, focus on one high-demand skill like email marketing, Pinterest management, or podcast editing. Clients happily pay more for specialized help, allowing you to command premium rates from the start. Curious about that digital product idea practically guaranteed to sell? Printable planners and productivity tools consistently generate sales. They're easy to make, people absolutely love them, and they have timeless appeal. It's genuinely passive income at its best. Now let's circle back to affiliate marketing. What's the quickest way to build your audience and income right from day one? The answer is leveraging trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to find hot topics, then create content that naturally includes your affiliate products. Eager to know how to choose the perfect online tutoring niche? Here's a simple trick. Identify popular topics with low competition. For instance, teaching beginners coding basics or language pronunciation can attract steady students eager to pay for your knowledge. Finally, ready to find out the one thing that ensures print-on-demand success? It all comes down to creating unique, emotional, or funny designs people instantly connect with. When your designs resonate emotionally, buyers are far more likely to click buy. We're just getting started because the next two business ideas are truly surprising. Keep watching, because these final ideas might completely change how you think about starting an online business. Number 9 is managing Facebook or Google ads for small businesses. Now, don't get intimidated by the word ads. Running basic ad campaigns is actually far simpler than most people realize, and businesses everywhere are desperate for help managing them. Even if you've never created an ad before, platforms like Facebook and Google offer step-by-step guides that practically hold your hand through the process. Plus, once you master the basics, you can scale up quickly and command impressive rates. But here's the real secret. What's the simplest way to secure your first client when you have 0 testimonials or prior results? I'll reveal this powerful strategy in just a moment. Finally, at number 10, become an online reseller. Have you ever flipped something for profit on eBay or Facebook Marketplace? Then you've already done this, at least on a small scale. Scaling it into a serious online business simply means finding products cheap, whether that's clearance items at local stores, estate sales, or online wholesale suppliers, and reselling them at higher prices. The profit potential is genuinely incredible, especially if you're consistent and strategic. But what's the best type of product to resell for maximum profits right from the start? I'll share that lucrative answer with you shortly. All right, let's answer that big question from earlier. How do you easily secure your first client for Facebook or Google ads without any testimonials or experience? Here's exactly what to do. Offer your initial service for free or at a huge discount, purely to build your portfolio. Choose a local business, run a small campaign, and document the results clearly. With one solid case study under your belt, landing paying clients becomes a breeze. Now, onto that critical question. What's the single best product category to resell? Here's a proven tip. Electronics and tech accessories consistently sell well and often have healthy profit margins. Items like phone cases, charging cables, or Bluetooth accessories are affordable to source and easy to sell online. They're always in demand, making them an ideal starting point for your online resale business. Let's recap quickly, because we've covered a lot. We've explored freelance content writing, dropshipping, virtual assisting, digital products, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, social media management, print on demand, ad management, and online reselling. The key takeaway? You don't need prior experience to start any of these businesses, and each offers massive earning potential once you get started. But before we wrap up, I want you to ask yourself, what's really holding you back from starting today? Is it fear of failure, uncertainty about where to begin, or worrying you're not good enough. Here's the truth. Everyone starts from scratch. Every successful online entrepreneur you admire was once exactly where you are right now. They chose to take action despite uncertainty, and it paid off. Imagine your life a year from now if you decide to start today. So, what's your next step? Pick just one idea from this video, whichever excites you most, and commit to starting immediately. Because the reality is, your life can genuinely transform in ways you can't yet imagine. I promise the hardest step is always the first one. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I can't wait to hear about your success story soon.